Hey kids, welcome to Peyton's Beach Up. Today, we're going to answer the age-old question. Is the 70mm dash cam perfect for a 1999 GMC Sonoma? Stick around. First thing we got to do, we got to start this thing. Let's do it. Yeah, we got rusty big truck base running. Warming up a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and install that. But first, let's go talk about it. I started talking without the camera being on. It's my first day doing video. Not really. Anyway, today we're going to talk about 70mm dash cam, the Alpha 800 Sierra, and rear camera set in 4K. That's fantastic. All right, first I want to say thank you to 70mm for setting this and being very patient with our extreme cold that's kept me from being able to do this. This is pretty cool. All right. They did send the rear camera, which is pretty darn cool. All right, this was given the design award in 2021. So that's must be pretty. All right, I'm gonna get this stuff out and then we're gonna look at it. All right, what I found is that this is actually for being able to hardwire it, not the rear camera. We're not gonna be hardwiring it today, so we'll just hold on to that for another time. Here's the actual camera. That's pretty little, pretty cool. Check that out right there. Okay. Now we have, this is the rear camera. Now we could put this in rusty, just right in the back window, and we might, but we won't be doing that today because it's still kind of cold out there and to run all the wire. It does come with quite a bit of wire. USB-C on one end, regular USB-A on the other. Man, that's very complete. Just boom, here it is. And they did send one additional thing separately. We're gonna open it up. I'm not sure what it is. Well, it's in there. Oh, it's a filter for the lens to tint it. That's pretty cool. That is really cool. And then we've got the user manual, the instructions, and everything here. And a customer service card with a website that will, I'm gonna put it right there. It's for the dash cam support. Some QR codes right there. And it gives how to set everything up, and we will be doing all of that. Android phones or iPhone, you just got to download the app, authorize permissions, and connect to Wi-Fi. Here we go. We're in the truck. Yeah, we got a weird camera thing going on here. Hopefully we don't continue with the weird camera thing going on. Hey, that's better. So now normally you would attach this to your windshield, right? It does have a spot for micro USB, and it does have for a micro SD, sorry, SD. And then there are some plugins on the side there, and then we have a power button. There's the camera. So what we'll do is we're gonna drive this thing after, because it goes up like that. We're gonna do the install, and we're gonna get this going. I gotta make sure I got my phone ready. I'm installing the app right now. I just searched in the Play Store. I went through the installation, and I'll tell you what, this couldn't really be easier. Now, one thing I do know about the wintertime here in Minnesota is that the glass is going to be too cold to to stick anything to and have it actually stick. So I'm going to end up kind of doing like a handheld kind of thing, which is all right. Now the camera does move up and down like that, so that's pretty fantastic. Like that, see that? There is a screen right here, and you pull off right there, see that? And there's a microphone and there's a speaker. Speaker's here, microphone. I'm going to, yes, it's right there. So, really, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our power cord, which happens to be a very long, so if you have a long vehicle, which we don't here in the pickup, it does actually come with a little pry bar that you can install right, put the wiring right up here into the headliner right there. See that? All right, I got the power plugged in. It chimed, so we know that it's on. So that's really cool. Pull this off. Set up in English. Yep. It says, travel with you safely every day, right on the screen there. And just follow the directions. It has an indicator light. Green is recording. Blue is not in recording mode, and red is error, it says here. Power button, when powered on, turn it on. Press to turn on and press to turn off. Even I can figure that out. All right, I'm getting the app set up right now. All right, we're ready to go. And then it asks us to set up the area in which we're in. Doing that here, it's going to turn it because it's going to hit right. All right, as I'm going through the settings here, there is a recording duration of a minute. It will high compression ratio, video resolution. It has emergency video, parking, surveillance, time-lapse recording, and you can set those on and off. So I'll tell you what, this is pretty fancy. And it even gives you a chance to update the resolution. And it gives you a 60 hertz refresh rate, and speed and latitude is on. So it tells you how fast you're going and where you're at. Can't beat that with a stick. All right, we're recording. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this on a little drive, and then I'm gonna show you. Stick around. We're back at the shop, and check this screen out. It's actually recording the shop right now. You turn it on, and it starts recording. So if you want it to stop, you gotta press it right there. Turn it on, recording. See that? Very easy. Very easy. I'll tell you what, couldn't ask for an easier setup, that's for sure. All right, I am going to show you, there's a little, there is like an album in here. So select my album, which is the normal ones, right? Because we're normal. Yep. And we select the one we're going to do. And that's this one right here. We're going to select it. And check that out. This is the screen that you're going to see. And now I didn't, like I said, I didn't secure it. I was holding it in my hand. Yeah. All right, so what did we learn today, kids? Well, what we learned was that a dash cam is definitely useful. And I'll tell you what, this one, super easy to use. And if you have a vehicle where you want to watch the back end of her, right there, hooks right in. It's got an interface, and then here. That cord that hooks to your cigarette lighter comes with an adapter. It plugs right into the cam. Now, of course, you don't need that one that long. You can use a one that's a little bit shorter, of course, but it is meant for it to run up and around and into the camera. So that's pretty fantastic. So let's recap. All right, kids. I'm telling you what. The 70mm dash cam Alpha 800S plus rear cam set in 4K video is very easy to use, and I'll tell you what, I'm definitely going to be installing something like this, if not this one, in my daughter's car. just so she can, well, so I can see how she's driving, which as a parent, that's pretty darn cool. And in case something happens, we can go back and see what happened. So if she gets in an accident or that kind of thing, man, you can't beat that. That is peace of mind, and that is, what's that worth? All the money. That's correct. So I want you guys to check out the link on this fantastic dash camera from 70 Mike. Tell you what, this one is definitely Honest Peyton Speed Shop approved. Go get yourself one right now. Keep on wrenching, kids.